Now I will discuss another important lean manufacturing tool called Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese lean concept that means continuous improvement through small, ongoing changes. Instead of making large and expensive changes all at once, Kaizen focuses on improving processes step by step through small daily improvements. The word Kaizen comes from two Japanese words. Kai means change. Zen means good. So, Kaizen means change for the better. There are two ways to improve a process. The first way is to investigate a big problem and make a major change. The second way is to make continuous small improvements in the current process. Japanese industries mainly follow the second approach. They believe that every day there should be some improvement, no matter how small it is. This philosophy has helped develop discipline, proper time management, better skills, and higher quality. Now let's look at the core ideas of Kaizen. The first idea is making small improvements every day. The second is involving all employees, from operators to top management. The third is focusing on eliminating waste, also known as muda. And finally, creating a culture of continuous improvement. Now let's compare Kaizen management with Western management. Kaizen management is process-oriented. It focuses on improving the process. It follows a gradual improvement approach. The changes are usually small and not dramatic. It is a continuous and ongoing process. Most importantly, everyone in the organization is involved. On the other hand, Western management is result-oriented. It mainly focuses on innovation. It follows a big leap or breakthrough approach. The changes are usually dramatic and attract attention. Most improvements happen as one-time projects. Only a selected group of people is usually involved. Now let's see why Kaizen is important for the textile and garment industry. Kaizen can be applied by improving every business process step by step while continuously developing employee skills through training and active participation. The main principles of Kaizen are: human resources are the most valuable asset of a company. Processes should improve gradually instead of making radical changes. Improvements should be based on evaluating process performance. Managers should demonstrate commitment to quality. Employees should actively participate in finding and implementing improvements. Kaizen is a simple system, but its impact is very broad. It improves productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, and employee morale. These 6 areas are known as PQCDSM. Kaizen is not a one-time activity. It is a continuous process. Now I will explain the Kaizen event, also known as the Kaizen Blitz. A Kaizen event is a focused and short-term improvement activity where a team works together to improve a specific process within 3 to 5 days. There are several basic rules for conducting a successful Kaizen event. The first rule is develop a vision of the future. Before starting, clearly understand the current situation and define the desired future condition. This gives everyone a clear direction. The second rule is involve everyone. Kaizen is successful only when all related departments and employees participate together. The third rule is prepare the team. Train participants on Kaizen basics, explain the objectives clearly, and assign responsibilities. The fourth rule is plan for success. Choose a problem that has high impact, is easy to improve, and can produce visible results. The fifth rule is keep training relevant. Only teach the lean tools that are necessary for solving the current problem. Avoid unnecessary training. The sixth rule is provide training at the right time. Instead of long classroom sessions, provide short training followed immediately by practical work on the production floor. The seventh rule is properly scale the scope. Do not try to solve every problem at once. Focus on one process or one problem at a time. A smaller scope increases the chance of success. The eighth rule is keep Kaizen goals simple. Avoid setting too many objectives. Focus on one clear and measurable goal. The ninth rule is use the right lean tools. Always select lean tools according to the problem being solved. The right tool gives better results than using many tools without purpose. Now I will share some additional important concepts about Kaizen. Kaizen is much more than continuous improvement. It believes in the unlimited power of human creativity and encourages people to turn ideas into action. Kaizen teaches us not to adjust ourselves to poor conditions, but to improve those conditions. There is no fixed time for solving problems. Problems should be solved as quickly as possible. When implementing Kaizen, we should always consider the current process as something that can be improved. Kaizen is a series of small improvements that require less technology and lower cost, but produce significant improvements in quality and productivity. Kaizen is not just brainstorming. It is try-storming, which means testing ideas through action instead of only discussing them. Finally, Kaizen also focuses on eliminating the 3M. The first is muda, which means waste or any activity that does not add value to the product. The second is mura, which means unevenness or inconsistency in the production process. The third is muri, which means overburdening people, machines, or processes beyond their capacity. In conclusion, Kaizen is one of the most effective lean manufacturing tools. By making small daily improvements, involving everyone, and eliminating waste, organizations can continuously improve productivity, quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Thank you.